Today is Monday, September 19th. This is the 1967 two-year-only convertible top switch for my friends Glenn and Linda in Georgia. And I'm doing a functional validation test of this restored switch. Okay, the connectors have been disassembled and the wiring harness reconnected, and the switch has been restored. So I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. I'll go ahead and apply the wires appropriate for the up connection. And I'll be looking for the light bulb to come on, and we press in the upward mode and the light bulb comes on, indicating electrical continuity for the rising modality of the convertible top switch. Now we'll check the down, and the switch is working with the light bulb coming on, indicative of electrical continuity facilitating the downward motion of the convertible top switch. So this is a 1967 original vintage, fully restored convertible top switch for my friends Glenn and Linda in Georgia. Today is Monday, September 19th. This is Georgia and Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970, which is my heart of the range. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, all the way up to 1978 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, September 19th. Thank you very kindly.